What's up guys, it's Emma! Firstly, I really want to thanks for everyone who subscribed my channel. You know, thumbs up, leave some comment, thank you very much. But today, it's just normal day of my vlog. Now it's like 10:30. I am heading to my work and then let's go to my work. No, well, let's go out there. Let me see. Oh, my camera is so heavy. Let's go to there. What's up, brothers? Wow. Look at these hair colors. This is red one. Wow. Is it like blonde color?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Mine is maybe. I don't know. Blonde color or brown color or yellow. None of them. Cool, let's go down. My camera is so heavy though. Let's see this pretty girl. Say hi, Elise. So they told me that they have a cosmetic shop. So if you guys interested, come to just 找她，她是很漂亮的女生的哟。Wow, tell me this is video. Say something. Say no.
Hi.
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 What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
2,000 years later.
I'm going through a drought. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around since city's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone.
6.5 hours later.
Okay guys, it's my lunchtime and then I'm eating Taiwanese steak. Taiwanese steak mostly have beef noodles and steak meat. But unfortunately, I forgot to make my video just at all of them. I'm sorry guys. Anyway, I'm so stupid, oh my god. Because it's my first time to like making my vlog, like my day of life. I really like this one. This is Taiwanese. I don't know what is the name of this product, but I think like good luck. I think many people who just used to study in Taiwan, they really miss this one. This is my break time. I feel really tired, especially my back hurts a lot now, so I need to take a rest for a while. I need to sit for a while. As you guys see, this light is so romantic, right? Okay guys, I'm gonna do this kind of work. It's gonna like wash customers' hair. Oh, let's get started. Okay guys, I've done my work. I'm so exhausted now, but it's okay because I'm going to massage shop. Yeah! Maybe many people gonna think, what? This girl, why she's going to massage shop? Because when I was in high school, I've got injury on my back, and since the time I've been really suffering from this pain. So at least twice in one month I have to go to there to release my muscle which is around my back. And let's jump to massage shop. Wow, so fast. Okay, let's go in, guys. Guys, about the price, we have like 4 options. The first one is for just your leg, around 600 for 1 hour. And then if you want to just do whole body massage, it's around 1,100 for 1 hour, 40 minutes. And another one is whole body, and upper side and then lower side. It's around 750 for 1 hour. And then specialist one is 1 hour half, and then price is 1,150. So I'm gonna take this one. I always take this one because I need more time to release my muscle. So if you guys interested, just come to this massage shop, why not? And this is, I think, the normal price of massage shop of Taiwan. Okay, their clothes is like this one. I feel like I'm king. Okay, I'm gonna go to my massage, guys. See you soon. I think I look so ugly. So so after we've done our massage, we have like some light meals, snacks, tea. For me, I'm a little bit hungry now because I didn't have my dinner. So I'm gonna eat this one. I'm gonna go back to my home. I'm gonna sleep. Oh my god, so tired. See you in my next video, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.